Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to increase Coinbase limit. There are two different ways to increase your Coinbase limit. The first way is to regularly buy, sell and trade cryptocurrency on Coinbase, which can gradually increase your limits over time. So another way to increase your limits is by going ahead and signing into your Coinbase account and following the instructions. So let's get started. Open up a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in coinbase.com and search. Sign into your Coinbase account, if necessary, by entering your login credentials. So before getting started and increasing your limit, you'll first need to make sure that you've verified your identity. Complete your profile verification, which involves uploading a valid ID, taking a selfie, holding the ID, and possibly providing additional information. Once you complete your account verification, simply go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right. In the pop-up, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, click on Account Limits at the bottom. Now, if you have completed your document verification, you will be able to see Apply for Increase button on the page. But if you haven't completed your documentation verification, you will need to make sure you complete that first. Go ahead and click on this Complete Document Verification option and follow through the prompts. So that is how you will be able to increase your account limits on Coinbase in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.